We about to go and talk about the much hype, much anticipated meme stock, baby. We about to go take a look at GameStop, so let's do it. Let's go see, is this investment? Is it hype? Is it screwing the little guy? I don't know. But at least we're gonna go inside and take a look at the actual business operations. By the way, I wonder if any GameStop actual traders have like went into GameStop, or do they just hang out on Reddit forums? Now, don't have the gorillas and the apes come for me for saying that, all right? Because I did a video on about why GameStop and AMC would sell off, and like, people came for me on that video. But here's the thing, numbers don't lie, experience don't lie. If you go look at that video and go look at the charts of what happened, it actually sold off to the spot I said it was gonna sell off. Just saying. All right, let's go in, let's check out the business. How's it going? This is the GameStop of all GameStops. We just vlogging our trip to GameStop, is that cool? That's cool. All right, we make sure we, good, my man said we good. All right, so we here. Clearly you could get some Pokemon stuff, okay? Which Pokemon is big right now. A lot of people buying the Poke Packs, trading the stuff online, so I rock with Pokemon. What are these, just used? Okay, I guess pre-owned video games. So that's the whole, we don't have a Nintendo Switch. Now I'm an Xbox guy. What else? We got some t-shirts. All right, we got accessories, right? Controllers. You can get some gear, some gaming gear for your gaming head. Now, if you need some headphones, I'm liking it. All right, if you're a serious gamer, every serious gamer needs some headphones, right? Especially if you like to play it loud and it's late at night. You want that stuff, boom, right in your ear, not disturbing the rest of the house. I'm feeling this wall. $5.99, brand new, M series, headphones with the mic. I don't know how good they are, but okay. If you're a Ferrari guy like me, this might catch your attention. You're like, okay, what's the T80? Master, Thrust Master, okay. We're gonna put this back because we got the real one in the parking lot. So let's go see what's hot. We Xbox people. Okay. What's hot right now? What are people coming in to get from GameStop that's hot?
That's actually probably a good question for Jacob, because I follow more Nintendo than Xbox.
Okay.
I'm kind of the one where it's like everything Pokemon.
Okay.
And Farm Sims.
Do you be online trading the Pokemon cards? Mm-hmm. Do you? Okay, that's like.
But the bigger one that I do is Magic the Gathering, and they just dropped the D&D set.
Okay. See, that's over my head. But if you Pokemon, it's the place to be. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yep, we just got a shipment of cards in.
So is that okay? So let me change the question. Is that what's hot? Is that the biggest thing that's flying off the shelves right now?
Oh yeah, as soon as they come out of the box, they sell.
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay. Pokemon is hot. You know what it reminds me of? When people was collecting the Beanie Babies.
Yeah.
It's like that whole type of feel too.
Hi.
So cool. All right, I'll let you chat with the rest of the thank you. Sure. So let's recap. Couple things. Number one, was the line wrapped around the corner like Starbucks though? No, the line was not wrapped around the corner. Okay, number two, was there anything in there that you couldn't get from Best Buy, Walmart, or anywhere else? I'm just saying, I'm not disrespecting GameStop. I'm just saying, was there anything in there you couldn't get from Best Buy, Walmart, or probably Amazon? No, there was not, okay. Number three, what is the margin on a $6 headset or buying used stuff and recycling? Like, what thrift store do you know that's gonna come back and be the next Macy's or Gucci or Prada, or, you know what I'm saying? Like, thrift stores don't all of a sudden rise from the ashes and become the phoenix, and it's like, boom, it's the next billion-dollar company. Not really. I'm not disrespecting GameStop. I'm just saying it's kind of the thrift store of video games, right? So it's all used games. So I don't know. Would I invest in it? Probably not. I'm gonna stick with Starbucks. Now, would I trade it? Probably not. Because the way that I trade, I like to trade predictable, repeatable patterns. But that doesn't mean that you can't, quote unquote, trade the stock or if you're part of the apes and the gorillas and the snakes and all the other animals that's out to screw the hedge fund managers, I get it. That's a whole nother story, and more power to you. But I'm just here to make some money. I'm just here to make some money, and that's just not my type of trade. But from a fundamental standpoint, I didn't see the investment. From a technical point on the chart, if you watch my other video, I told you what I thought, but it's now down to a place where potentially you could jump back in and potentially buy the stock as of July 9th, 2021 as we're recording this. But if you look at my previous video, I said it would probably sell back off to roughly this level, maybe even a little bit lower. I think AMC was the other one that we looked at. But anyway, I don't know. That's my thoughts on GameStop. I'm excited if you're making money, but I don't think it's an investment.